The advancements in technology over the last 2 decades in the field of networking and telecommunication have led to a massive increase in the number of internet and smartphone users. These numbers are growing exponentially. As a result, application that enables users to share content as a form of social interaction has begun to gain increased importance. One of the common functionalities observed across all these mobile applications is the convenience of sharing information. These app users are able to interact with the other users by texting, sharing content like images, music, etc. The most widely used mobile application for using interaction are chat applications like WhatsApp, WeChat, and social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. This ease of social interaction comes with some concerning problems like security of sensitive data, ownership of data, technologically mediated form of sexual abuse. One issue that has been dominant in social media application is the unrestricted ability given to the users for sharing unsolicited pornographic content, which may be construed by its consumer as inappropriate or offensive. Hence, there is a need for a mechanism to filter such content. Introducing cogniChat, a smart and a unique way to connect with people around you. cogniChat is an innovative, real-time social media platform that is built using state-of-the-art machine learning techniques. The most astonishing feature of this application is the advanced convolution neural network specifically trained to address the highlighted problem while providing its user a unique streamlined experience in an extremely simple and innovative way. cogniChat is developed using various distinctive features specifically designed to make the app robust, scalable, and to provide top-notch performance. We have used a combination of Google's Firebase technology and our own storage service to build an extremely powerful application. To provide a secure user onboarding experience, we have used Firebase Authentication Component. Firebase makes authentication easy for its end users. It allows its users to provide a customized user experience and also keep the user's private information secure. Though Firebase supports versatile ways to authenticate, we have enabled email authentication for our users to register and log into our application. We have used Firebase open source UI and customized it to make it more visually appealing. cogniChat is also aware of its users' geolocation. It provides users with a platform to interact with other users in a selected range. We are using GeoFire library that triggers geo queries and allows us to store users' location in the Firebase database. In order to reduce the battery consumption of the device, we have customized geo queries to get the updated location of the users only when they have moved 1 kilometer from their current location. To further enhance the user's experience, we have leveraged Firebase ML Kit functionality to make our application more intuitive by deploying smart reply text analysis model on device. This model processes users' conversation and provides top 3 most relevant suggestions, allowing the users to reply with just a single tap. Though cogniChat has many innovative features, the most remarkable component of this application is the intuitive neural network used to train the model for classification of images. When an image is sent to another user via our application, the image is processed by our convolutional neural network and gets classified as obscene or not. This whole process takes place in approximately real time. If the image is detected as obscene, it gets censored for the recipient, but it also gives them the ability to view the image received at their own discretion. Initially, we decided to use only Firebase as the backend for our application, as it offered components like Firebase Authentication, MLKit, and Cloud Functions. But the biggest challenge faced was the delay associated with the Cloud Functions as they were only available in the US. To overcome this issue, we developed our own Nectar-based storage service to store all the media content and also to train and deploy our image classification model. The biggest reason for selecting Firebase authentication is that it returns users' information to the device via callbacks, which allows us to provide personalized user experience for that specific user. The user information contains a unique ID that is guaranteed to be distinct across all providers, never changing for that specific user. This unique ID is used to identify the user and what message they are authorized to access. We have used Firebase real-time database as it allows us to store and sync data between users in real time. This makes it easy for our users to interact with one another. When a user sends a text
All the conversation gets stored on the cloud and notifies the interested users in milliseconds. We have used TensorFlow library to train our image classifier on NPDI dataset. The NPDI dataset is one of the most commonly used dataset for pornographic image processing constructed by the NPDI group from the Federal University in Brazil. This dataset is used to train our model. We have deployed the trained model on Nectar because it requires computationally expensive resources to provide better results. There is always a trade-off between accuracy and performance depending upon whether the model is deployed on device or on the cloud. Models deployed on the cloud are more accurate, but they fail to provide faster result when compared to the models deployed on device. So in order to provide user a convenient and almost real-time experience, we chose to deploy Smart Reply text analysis model on the device that provides instant suggestion as soon as it receives a message. All of these features combined together have made cogniChat a robust, scalable, and easy to use social media platform. cogniChat provides a safe and secure platform for its users to interact with each other. It solves the problem of receiving unsolicited pornographic content, which is a significant problem in the current digital world. So let cogniChat give you an innovative and a unique experience to build your social network and let it provide you more control over the data you send and receive. Thank you.